If you're worried about losing your precious photos or just want a safe place to back them up, Ente claims to offer a secure private photo backup solution. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive into the details. Ente is designed to provide a secure and private way to back up your photos. The core functionality seems to focus on simplicity and user-friendliness, aiming to cater to anyone who values their memories and wants to keep them safe from prying eyes. When you first navigate the platform, it feels straightforward, which is a big plus for less tech-savvy users. However, while the concept is solid, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the specifics on encryption methods or how data is stored securely aren't readily available, which could raise some eyebrows for security-conscious users. Additionally, it's unclear how the app handles large photo libraries or if there are any limitations on storage size. The intended audience seems to be casual users who want peace of mind, but without more clarity, it's hard to assess if it meets the needs of more advanced users. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Ente offers a clean interface, making it easy to upload and manage your photos. The focus on privacy is also a significant draw, especially for those wary of traditional cloud solutions. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The lack of detailed information regarding security protocols is a big concern, and without transparency, it's tough to fully trust the service. Additionally, some users might find the absence of advanced features like photo editing or sharing options limiting. Pricing isn't clear from the initial look, which could deter potential users who want to compare against other options. Overall, it might suit casual users well, but those needing robust features or comprehensive security details might want to consider alternatives. In conclusion, Ente could be a good choice for casual users looking for a straightforward and private photo backup solution. However, if you're someone who prioritizes detailed security features or has a large photo collection, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying, but just be cautious about the details.